Hello, hello, hello. Well, that answers that. Alright, now I should be able to run voice prompts, which means I bring this over here. So it can't access this file directly. Can you give me a comprehensive overview of everything we did to essentially build ACool AI with the NVIDIA framework as well as the Jupyter notebooks and all that it took to install? I'd like to have a complete step-by-step overview and comprehension of everything that we did so I can put it into a project and use that as the foundational framework to then build upon for the capabilities and functionality framework that I plan to implement. So let me put this down here. Please rank this on a scale from 1 to 10. Make it a 9.1 or higher before running. Thank you. I'm just gonna have to put this stuff over here because I'm not gonna do all of that extra. Oh, that's over here anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And my computer's running mighty slow right now. Finally, I cleaned off almost 400 gigabytes of stuff today. So now what it's doing is it's giving me an outline and overview of what my PC is currently running. This is everything I was doing earlier. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna take the ACoolPC specs, put them under here. Let's take all of this. Using what I've just given you, give me a full comprehension of what the initial capabilities were, what I've done to get to where I am now. Give me a general timeline and workflow of all the things that I have been able to implement, and then give me all the commands I will need to give you a complete overview of the entire system. And then let's go about working out building what we can build in the future with what we now have and what's been installed. May I also have a complete understanding of everything that you conceive that I have, and then give me a visual mock-up of the best setup for all the equipment that I have, and give me some of the best workflows to go forward. Also, give me an outline of the dashboard, and I do want a Notion dashboard as well as a HTML website dashboard. Also, it's ACoolNERD.com/AcoolAI. Go ahead and draft what you would want on that page in the orange and white glitch type format, and we'll go ahead and get that on the WordPress site. So a lot of this is just vibe type, vibe. So this is the overview, phase 1. This is what I initially did. Now we've got, so we do have CUDA. So now this is where I usually watch quite a few videos to really understand what I've actually done. Next, it's going to give me a PNG snapshot for GitHub sharing. Notion. Okay. Yes. Three to 5 case studies across NACE codes varying from the top funded SBA 7A and 8A businesses right now, so I can reverse engineer a solopreneur to entrepreneur to small business to enterprise. Framework methodology education for ACool Academy, which we will have supported by ACool Cause, which will be a number of nonprofits that we will end up distributing it through and working with to then perpetuate the progression of all people. It's going to be intriguing to try to do that. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this search history. So what I'm often doing is I can actually just go here. So you can see I have 111 tabs here. This is what I've been working on in essence of recently, from NFT, be friends, getting the gamer stuff going, understanding trading cards, things of that nature. So right now I'm just trying to have it conceptualized, kind of see everything that I have, really understand within some small questions and frameworks, on top of the fact that it's going to be offering me all of this other information, what it thinks my system actually looks like. So this will be so right now what I'm doing is I'm actually taking this list of individual cards, all these different credit card videos that I've been looking at, to try to help people really like understand, know who some of the gurus are, know how I can go ahead and give out information outside of just myself and what I know. Ooh, I definitely like this. Oh, that's gnarly. I cannot lie. I don't even know where I want to keep this right now. Do it for so yeah, everything in my situation is ACool this, ACool that, just because ACool is the name of the game. I'm actually going to be able to do it over here. It's going to be okay, interesting. So I'm going to log in over here too, so I can go ahead and run this pretty much simultaneously, because I need to do a couple things at once. So WordPress Elementor blocks is like a drag and drop system that essentially provides information, provides a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get type of interface for you to install stuff. Notion is a database where you can keep all your information, similar to like a wiki, and then the HTML will be the actual HTML of this. And then I'm going to come over here, and I'm in the wrong. So there we go, and now I can go ahead and come in here and do ACool Academy. And then do ACool Profile. A comprehensive and thorough overview of all credit cards from multiple perspectives, from how to get them, to how to earn them, to how to utilize their points, how to avoid fees, how to utilize the rewards, and how to have a revolving cycle of upscaling yourself for the needs that may come in the future. Go ahead and do deep research. Oh, well, not yet. Can you compile and create a comprehensive dashboard after you go ahead and listen and research what I've given you, as well as the YouTube links, and provide me what I would need from a complete framework, starting from no credit and getting my credit going, through having a decent amount of credit, which is like a 5, or let's say bad credit, 580 to 620, and then 621 to under 700, 700 to 730, 730 plus. All of those credit cards are going to be different areas. All of those are going to be different areas and zones that I would like these credit cards profiled and matrixed under, with their capabilities, fees, and everything that you would see in a complete matrix. Then let's see, that's a lot, because like right now I'm just talking and ranting, so sometimes you gotta. Okay. I like this. Look how easy that was. Okay. Please do all of this and add any cards that you also know of within any institutions that you can go ahead and put into this comprehensive matrix. I'd really like it to be a downloadable sheet. I'd also like it to be for Google Sheets and Excel. Then let's make it in a tabular table here so I can add to it as well. Once we've got all this together, can you go ahead and go over what we have here, and then give me the specific instructions I should be putting at the top of this actual GPT, as well as any files and information that I should go ahead and attach. Let's go ahead and get all of that in a downloadable format, and then start providing that to me now, as well as a list of documents that you think will come up in the future for all of these case studies, from onboarding to specific questions. And let's just look at some of these timelines, workflows, and assessment to assistance, and then aligning them to achieve. It sounds fun. can you please generate the files now, giving me Google Sheets links and then downloadable files. I would like to upload them to a workspace, but I'll do that on my own. And then using the prompt header, I would like to go ahead and get all of these files that you have named here, and then go ahead and curtail them and name them as ACool profile, and then underscore file name, and then underscore case study. No, let's do ACool profile underscore, whatever the case study is, business, nursing, trucking, whatever you go into, and then go ahead and give me, or if it's by credit score, and then give me the file name at the end, so I'll know how to go ahead and pick these out in the future. Let's start building a complete Notion dashboard as well as a database in Tabula, so I can start understanding all that is here. And then let's start to build a Trello boards out, as well as process workflows that can go into Monday.com, that can go into Notion, that can go into Trello, just so I have variable effects, as well as Slack, so I can talk to these individuals, connect with them in ways that they are comfortable. Please rank this on a scale from 1 to 10. 10 is the highest score. Make it a 9.3 or higher before running. And then at the end, give me the prompt breakdown as you did above on all of the actual prompts that I should be using in the future. And now we're going to go over to Claude and see what it has to say. That's giving me insight and review on my Twitch channel. I actually did some of the panels yesterday. Go me. Uh-oh, 18 unique viewers. Watch out now. He's moving. Oh! That was an accident. Let me move this out the way. So let's do a cool profile. Can you help get me everything that you have here? And she works in health services, so that's not a big deal. She works in customer service for HealthNet. So go ahead and curtail it around that, and I'd like to get her into the entrepreneur space, or solopreneur if we can. But yeah, give me all these files here. This is great. And the file structure is great. I like the ranking system, and I look forward to all your sharing with me. So this is just gonna make, oh nice, look, see, so this made a really good tracking tool. So it'll know exactly what's what, you know, what's going on, and I like that. Yes, please give me all the tools, the downloadable Excel files, and then the clickable links to make a copy of above. No, just give me clickable links that I can use down here all together in one place. And I will enter all of the actual specifics for her when I am done understanding what I need for every single customer on a general basis. My drive is full. That's crazy. Let's go ahead and add the download over here. The XLS and all of these individual documents, I don't want specifically for a health service worker. I want it for solopreneur to entrepreneur or someone that has a job that is a W-2 worker looking to get 1099 additional income. I'm looking for people in the transition. Please don't take me so specifically when I mention one person. Go ahead and refresh and give me all of these links again, and then please make sure that the Google links are downloadable. Please give me the table of all of the credit cards with all of the information that you had above as well. That was very important. Please compile and put together every single thing that we need here and give me all the documents that I need in an itemized format. Please don't hold back, just itemizing just this one place. Gotta get out of that by doing this. Of course, he's not gonna have access. Even if that would be too easy. From now on, I want all files in Excel and to be made downloadable. None of the Google links are working for me. Thank you. Now what I'll do is I'll take those files, I will put them into here. I'm trying not use the health service one for now. Let's see, now we've got the Trello board and the workflow for Monday, so we can literally go to Monday and it's just like, good day, hello, and fortunately I've got a lot of my stuff. That doesn't help, but should think I logged in with a new situation. Let's just always do that for now. So we're logging in, we're creating a new account. That's 20 to 49 people. How many people on your team? 6 to 10. I like that number more. IT. Oh, I guess I should do multiple ones. Let's just say nonprofits. Economic development. I think I'm gonna go with this one. They know me better than me. I want to do the dev one, but nobody else is going to be developing with me, so. All the projects. Let's do that. Got it. Come here. Import task. And I believe item name. Due date. partial use application, first month review, upgrade a plan. Okay, so we got 4 tasks in here. Nothing special, but okay, so right now we're aiming for this. This is the so I believe it's gonna have to keep going. Alrighty, and then while that's running, we will come over here, see what we cooked up here. That's the website. And then let's pull up Notion. This is not my Mac. And with Notion, we can come back over here to ACoolNERD.